Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with CVS affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the CVS affiliate program website. Once on the home page, locate the Join Now or Sign Up button. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your affiliate account. Next, provide your payment information to receive your commission payouts. You may also need to enter your website URL if you have one. If you do not own a website, be sure to select options that allow you to promote CVS through social media or content platforms. After filling out all the required fields, review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your application for consideration. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your email address. Open this email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, your application will be reviewed by the CVS affiliate program team. Wait for a response, as it may take a few days to process your application. If approved, you will receive further instructions on how to access your affiliate dashboard. Log in to your dashboard using the credentials you created earlier. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard features, including links, banners, and promotional materials. Choose the products or promotions you wish to promote. Generate your unique affiliate links for these products. Share your links through your preferred marketing channels. Monitor your performance using the analytics tools provided in the dashboard. This will help you track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Stay updated with CVS promotions to maximize your earning potential. Engage with the affiliate community or forums for tips and best practices. Ensure you comply with all guidelines provided by CVS to maintain your affiliate status. Now you are fully equipped to start promoting the CVS affiliate program effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.